Symbiosis is the intimate and sustained association of individuals of different species, often for mutual benefit. Our definition coincides with that given by botanist Albert Bernard Frank, who was inspired to coin the word in 1887 after examining fungi associated with tree roots. The next year, another German, Anton de Bari, elaborated on the concept of symbiosis, referring to it as the living together of unlike organisms. A symbiosis involves distinct species, two or more. The participating species are usually entirely dissimilar and distantly related in terms of evolutionary ancestry. Most often, microbes, such as bacteria or single-celled fungi, live in close association with cells or tissues of a larger host, such as an animal or plant. Sometimes, symbiosis is advantageous to the parties involved through the reciprocal exchange of benefits, such as nutrients or protection. But whether the interaction is good or bad for the participants is often not immediately obvious. Resolving the question of mutual benefit usually takes close study. And sometimes a symbiosis can benefit partners in some situations, but be harmful in others. Our broad definition, an intimate and sustained association of individuals of distinct species, lets us remain open-minded in examining this major phenomenon of nature. Symbiosis is ubiquitous in the living world. It spans all groups of organisms, from bacteria and amoebae to fungi, pine trees, beetles, clams, and humans. And it's everywhere on Earth, from thermal vents of the deep sea to shallow ponds, and from tropical rainforests to deserts, to your backyard or local park, and even within the cockroaches, ants, or grain weevils that may be prowling in your kitchen. Some symbioses are ancient, dating back to the origins of basic cell types early in Earth history, 1 billion or more years ago. Others arose recently and are transient. We now know that symbiosis has been central in the expansion and diversification of life on Earth. Symbiotic associations underlie the major events that have shaped life on Earth, including the emergence of complex life forms and of land plants, and it remains pivotal today. Symbiotic associations determine where species can survive and how they will be affected by human-caused changes, such as shifts in climate and pesticide exposure. In our definition, intimate association implies a close physical arrangement. In fact, often a symbiont lives completely inside another, larger organism. It's worth defining a few more common and useful terms. The larger partner is referred to as the host, the smaller, microscopic partner as the symbiont. The term endosymbiont is used for cases in which the microbe is encased within the host tissues or even within the host cells.